Every year, thousands of species vanish forever. But what if technology could be their lifeline? In this video, we explore how science, data and innovation are revolutionizing conservation and giving endangered species a second chance at survival. We are going to dive into one of the most powerful movements in modern conservation, how technology is helping save endangered species across the globe. From habitat destruction and illegal wildlife trade to climate change and pollution, human activities have placed over 1 million species at the risk of extinction. But conservationists are not giving up. In fact, they are turning to powerful tools that are transforming the way we protect our planet's most vulnerable creatures. Satellites and drones are revolutionizing how we monitor wildlife. Satellite tracking collars on animals like elephants and snow leopards give real-time data on movement, migration, and habitat use. Drones allow us to monitor areas that are otherwise inaccessible or dangerous. We can detect poachers, count animal populations, and even monitor forest health in real time. Artificial intelligence is now being used to identify species from camera trap photos, detect illegal logging through sound patterns, and predict where wildlife is most at risk. In Kenya, AI-powered camera help distinguish between humans and animals, vehicles, alerting rangers in real time to potential threats. You don't need a lab coat to help conservation. Mobile app like iNaturalist, eBird, and Wildlife Observer are letting ordinary people contribute sightings, sounds, and photos. This crowd-sourced data help scientists track biodiversity, detect invasive species, and even discover new ones. Conservation genetics is unlocking the secret of endangered species. DNA analysis help identify genetic diversity, ensuring better breeding program and disease resistance. And yes, there is even talk of the extinction project using cloning and some other technologies to bring back extinct species. But that is a discussion for a later day. In Nepal, smart patrol with GPS technology reduce poaching to zero for years. In Brazil, AI-powered model help fight deforestation. And in Australia, drones help rescue koalas after wildfires. Technology isn't just helping, it's making real measurable impact. As technology continues to evolve, so does our potential to coexist with nature. With tools like machine learning, environmental DNA, and blockchain for wildlife trade tracking, the future is hopeful. If we act now, you can be part of this movement. Support conservation effort, use citizen science app, donate to wildlife technology initiative, and most importantly, stay informed. This is more than a tech story. It's a story of hope. Together, we can revolutionize conservation.